Hi guys, this is me Alishba again here, and I'm going to make brinjal. What we are going to do for the brinjal recipe, we need onion, brinjal, tomato, oil, we need turmeric, red crust chili, and cumin, salt, green chili, and some coriander leaves. So about this, boil, peel, mash. तो ये मेरा फेवरेट है ब्रिंजल. हम लोग काटेंगे नहीं, बट हम लोग बस ऐसे ही कुक कर लेंगे. Boil, I meant. Punch time. Are we not going to cut this off? Oh well. Now what do we have to do? Now you have to dug, call. And now we have to wait until it gets hot. When it's done, I'll be back because it's getting old. And why is he so fat? I think it's actually fat. I think it eats too much, and it's not even. It's literally getting up in the roof. This is them house. So bye, I'll be there when it's all boiled. So first we're gonna heat the pan, and then we're gonna put oil and then onion. It's right over here. Don't let your hands burn. Last time it come oil in my hands, so I'm gonna be careful this time. My mommy cut it like this. Look at it press. Okay, I'm just gonna put it like this then. Cumin. So I'm gonna wait for it to get frying because it's gonna take a long time. So I'll be in just a minute. अब onion फ्राई होगी तो पिंक नहीं होना चाहिए, नहीं ब्राउन नहीं होना चाहिए, पिंक होना चाहिए. अब हम लोग टमाटो डालेंगे. ऊपर से भी डालना. So not. Should we put it all? Yeah. Next we're gonna put turmeric. We're gonna put red crust chili. Can see टमाटर जब तक पकड़े फिर जब पक जाएंगे तो मैं वापस आती हूँ. The tomatoes are done. All freshly. Oh, this is hot. I don't. Can you put it for me? Is that for me? So let me mix it. It looks like something like yummy. It was hard for you guys, so yeah. Ask your mom. It's not either hard for me. I'm picking all the brinjals up. Now we are going to put some green chili. what the hell, look at all the speeds. So for the yogurt recipe, we need yogurt, half teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1/4 glass of water. But I take the bigger spoon because it will take up time. Look at it now. Now it's not taking time anymore. So, all of it. And then we put some sugar. For the yogurt, we need sugar. And the water, we will put that in. If it's hard for you, so ask your mommy. It's hard for me. I'm just kidding. If it's hard for you, then you can ask your mom. It's done. I just put garnish for a good smell. Okay, now it isn't done. Now I'm gonna put coriander. At least I can put this back in, right? So remember, once your hand so you're gonna put this for 5 minutes, then it's gonna be done. Then we're gonna show you the result. How does it look like? Okay guys, so I'm trying it, but if you eat it, it will be healthy. You will be healthy, and your skin will be good, and your teeth will be white, and your eyes will be good, and your hair will be long. And yeah, eat it always. It's delicious. Guys, tell me in the comments if you can do your finger like this. I'm not either cheating. My parents like cheat. They can only do it like this. They do it like this. They're cheating. I do it like this. I'm not either cheating.